Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to factor long equations like this by using different methods of factoring. So let's look at this first problem. So we need to factor this completely. We have negative 4n to the 4th power plus 40n to the 3rd power minus 100n to squared. So now we need to factor this. So the first step is to factor out the greatest monomial. So if we look, we can see that negative 4 is a common factor between all of these numbers, and n squared is a common variable. So outside the parentheses you can put negative 4n squared, and inside we can have n squared minus 10n plus 25. Then if we look closely, we can see that n squared minus 10n plus 25 is a perfect square, because 25 is a perfect square and n is a perfect square. So negative 4n squared times n minus 5 squared, because n minus 5 squared is n squared minus 10n plus 25. And this is our final answer. Let's do another one. I want to see if you can try this on your own. Okay, so first, let's rewrite it. So the polynomial is in order of decreasing degree in a. So we can rewrite it as 3a to the 4th power b plus 5a to the power of 3 b squared minus 2a squared b to the power of 3. And now we need to factor this out. So let's see what we can factor out. So we can't factor out any of the numbers because they're not common, but we can factor out a squared and b. So a squared b, and then inside the parentheses we would have 3a squared plus 5ab minus 2b squared. And if we look, this is actually a trinomial, this. So we can rewrite it as a squared b, then 3a minus b times a plus 2b. And this is our final answer. Now let's do this one. I'll see if you can try this on your own. So let's first factor out the greatest monomial. So if we look, we can see that all of these have b in common. So we can factor out b, and inside the parentheses we would have a squared c minus 4c plus a squared minus 4. And then if you split this apart, we can factor out b and then c, and then a squared minus 4 plus, we'll just add the 1 even though it doesn't do anything. And then now we can do b and c plus 1 and a squared minus 4. And then we can rewrite this as b, c plus 1. And because a squared minus 4 is the difference of two squares, we can write a plus 2 and a minus 2. And this is our final answer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something.